Hi everyone, so today we'll learn how to enable dark mode on github.com. As you can see, currently I'm on github.com, and to enable dark mode, I need to go to my profile picture, which is on the top right corner. Simply click on it. Then I have to click on settings. Now on this page, on the left hand side, you need to click on appearance. Now by default, you will get sync with system here. Simply click here, then click on single theme. Now here you can see at the top I am getting light themes, and at the bottom I am getting dark themes. If I want to pick one, I need to click on it. So let's click on this one, dark default, and here you can see I got the dark theme. In a similar way, if I want a different one, I need to click on it like this. So I hope you understood how to enable dark mode on github.com. See you next video. Have a nice day.